In this video, I want to show you how you can add stuff to your wish list on Temu. Now, it's kind of hidden how you can do this if you're using your PC, but you can also do this from your phone. And the way that you can do it is you want to find anything. So, of course, it needs to be something that you want to put on your wish list. So I'll just use this as an example. Then what you want to do is you want to scroll down until you find the details section. So you see details right here, and there will be a little save button. Now, if I click on the save button, you'll see that it says saved to wish list. Now, to find your wish list, you want to come and hover on your profile, click on wish list, and you should see your wish list in here. So that is basically how that works. Like I said, you can do this from your phone as well. So just follow the steps and you should be able to add them to your wish list. If you want to remove them, go back in there and click on the same button that you saved, and it will get removed from your wish list. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.